Welcome back to our journey through Amsterdam. In part 2, we leave the historic heart and enter the magnificent Canal District, a UNESCO World Heritage masterpiece. This is the Herengracht, once the most prestigious address for the city's wealthiest merchants during the 17th century Golden Age. Notice how some houses seem to lean? Built on marshland, they rest on thousands of wooden piles that have settled over 400 years. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Look up at the gables. Those iron hooks were essential for hoisting goods into narrow homes, with staircases far too tight for furniture. Crossing the Prinsengracht, the architecture changes. Welcome to the Jordaan, a district defined by its intimate charm and maze-like alleys. Founded in 1612, the Jordaan was originally a dense, working-class enclave for artisans and religious refugees from across Europe. Standing tall over the neighborhood is the Westerkerk. Its bells once famously provided comfort to a young girl hiding nearby. Just steps away is the Anne Frank House, a solemn reminder of history that continues to draw visitors from all over the world. Connecting the main canals are the 9 streets, a micro-neighborhood famous for its independent spirit and unique boutiques. It's the perfect place to experience gezelligheid, the quintessential Dutch feeling of coziness and community. To the north lies the Brouwersgracht, or Brewer's Canal, where massive warehouses once stored coffee, grain, and spice. The Jordaan is also home to secret hofjes, beautiful courtyards built centuries ago as charitable housing for the elderly. On Saturdays, the Noordermarkt comes alive with an organic farmers market, a true heartbeat of local life in the Jordaan. Overlooking the market is the Noorderkerk, a unique 17th century church designed in the shape of a cross. Before house numbers existed, these gable stones served as addresses, telling the story of who lived and worked inside. Today, this former slum has transformed into one of the city's most sought-after and vibrant residential areas. Our journey through the canals and courtyards comes to an end, but another world awaits us in the south. We've explored the soul of the canal ring. Next, we head to the Grand Museum Square. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. See you in part 3.